Are you in the mood for a hearty breakfast? How about a classic dish that never fails to satisfy? Steak and eggs. Imagine a juicy, tender steak, perfectly seasoned and cooked to your liking, paired with your preferred style of eggs. Be it sunny side up, scrambled or poached. Sounds good, right? First, let's talk about the steak. The best cuts for breakfast are ribeye, sirloin, or filet mignon. They're tender, flavorful, and cook relatively quickly. Season the steak with a generous amount of salt and pepper on both sides. Next, heat a heavy-bottom skillet over medium-high heat. Add a tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, carefully place the steak in the skillet. Cook each side for about 4 to 5 minutes for medium rare, or until your desired degree of doneness. Once cooked, remove the steak from the skillet and let it rest. While the steak is resting, it's the perfect time to cook the eggs. Wipe out the skillet, then lower the heat to medium. Add a little butter, and once it's melted, crack the eggs into the skillet. Cook them to your liking, sunny side up, over easy, or scrambled. Season with a little salt and pepper. And to serve, place the steak on a plate and add the eggs alongside. You can also add some toast or hash browns for a complete meal. So there you have it, a simple and satisfying breakfast of steak and eggs. It's a classic dish that's perfect for a leisurely weekend brunch or even a special occasion. The beauty of this recipe is in its simplicity. It's all about good quality ingredients. Cooked well, the steak is juicy and packed with flavor, while the eggs add a comforting, familiar touch. In summary, the process involves seasoning and cooking the steak, resting it, then cooking the eggs in the same skillet. It's a quick, straightforward recipe that delivers big on flavor. So go ahead, get in the kitchen and whip up a delicious breakfast of steak and eggs. You won't be disappointed.